everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel and happen to stumble by, I'm your girl Bella, and I would totally love if you join me on my YouTube adventures. So make sure you hit that subscribe button down below and click on the little bell. And for everybody else, hey guys, happy Friday. First of all, if I seem a little like shaken up, it's cause y'all, I think a tornado just flew by here. We're out in the country, and I've been through a tornado before, and there's a lot of open fields, and you know when you got open fields around and a lot of farmland, those tornadoes come in pretty good. I'm pretty sure that's a fly. I'm pretty sure I just had a tornado. Like, if you see over there, all my chairs on my front porch have been moved. I'm not going outside. I was gonna go to Michael's, but I ain't going anywhere right now. I'm scared to death. Well, not scared, but anyways. Okay, I'm gonna try to do my best on the lighting because I got all the lights open in the house. And today's video, I want to show you some updates and show you what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna show you the front hallway. We're gonna do this decorate with me. It's so simple. It's not gonna take long. And oh my God, can I just thank you all for yesterday's video? Oh my goodness, I love you girls. I love every one of my subscribers so much. I love you. I love you. I love you. I love you. I love you guys. Thank you. I don't know how you sat through that video. It was hell of a long. But thank you for sitting through it, and thank you for your amazing comments. You guys are just the best. Okay, I'm gonna turn the camera around. Actually, let's do this decorate first, and then this decorate with me first, and then I'll give you a tour of the hallway, and because I want to show you that, and then I'll show you some things that I want to add to the house. I know, it's not my forever house. I know I shouldn't be doing all this, but you know, that's me. I have to. Okay, let's move over to this, and I'll show you what I want to do. So, this is my front hallway table, and many of you know this table. So when we first moved in, I just plopped this on here. I just made this like really simple centerpiece and this vase. I'll show it to you up close a little bit. It's pretty, right? I like it. I like this. It's nice. And then I started thinking about it, and I'm like, I don't really love it. I don't know. There's something about it. I don't really want the pinks and the purples right now. So then I thought about, okay, I'm just going to take this off. So I went down to the basement and I gathered up. It's pretty though, right? Like for spring, it was really nice, and it was really nice in the other house. I just don't know how I feel about it here. So anyway, let me put this down. Sorry about that, guys. Okay, now you can see the mirror better, and let me see. I'll pan around. Oh my God, my hair. I'll pan around better too, and I'll show you everything in the hallway, and show you how it's all like cohesive together and how it all like works together. But I went down to the basement and I got a bunch of things, and I thought we could do this decorate with me together. So I'm gonna bend down and bring them all up here, and then we'll style them together. I hope the lighting's good. Okay, so I got this ginger jar, and look how pretty this is. Look at the detail on the side. It's absolutely gorgeous. And right now on Instagram and oh my God, so many people are like obsessed with ginger jars. And I'm thinking to myself, this is nothing new. We've been decorating with ginger jars from time and eternity. I don't call these a ginger jar. That's not what we used to call them back in the day. These are urns. That's what we called them. We called them urns. Now everybody's calling them a ginger jar, but that's fine. I love these. I think they're fantastic. Mine's like a cream color. It's antique. It's old. Okay, so and I got my birds. And do you remember these? I hauled these back early spring. They were from Pier 1. They got a fleur-de-lis on it because I love fleur-de-lis. And got a little bird. And they're the perfect match for the jar. And if you look close, it's all crackled. It's like a cream crackled finish, and it's absolutely gorgeous. Like, this thing is amazing. I forgot how much, I remember buying, like, I remember these were really expensive at Pier 1 when I got them. Guys, I'm sorry about the lighting. It's just so bad in here. It stopped raining. Thank God. Thank God. I'm still a little frazzled. Anyways, I remember buying these real cheap. Anyways, okay, enough of me babbling. So I'm thinking of just doing an arrangement in my ginger jar, which is, I guess we're gonna call that now, ginger jar. All right. So I got some hydrangeas, because to me hydrangeas are summer, and I think, and these are real nice ones. These are the ones from Michael's, and I've had these for years. They're the thick stem ones. I've had these for years. And then I just got a little bit of this greenery. So I just bent my greenery like that, and I'm gonna let it hang in the front. Can you guys see that? Okay, I'm gonna let it hang in the front. So I'm gonna put 2 pieces of greenery like that. So I just bent it, and I want it to hang over. Hold on. Yeah, I want it to hang over like that. Can you see that? There. And then I'm just gonna put 2 of the hydrangeas in. I want one this way, and then one this way, as if you, and what I'm trying to evoke or feel, like, you know when you go out to the garden and you just pick some blooms, and you got a few blooms, because that's what's only bloomed. So just real simple. And then I got this box here. And I know you're probably thinking, Bella, that's a rustic box. Yeah, it is. It's wood. It's got a little bit of silver on it. It's white. I keep my sunglasses in it, guys, at the front hallway, because I'm always looking for sunglasses in the summer. And I figured, let's put the sunglasses. Can you see me? I'm gonna style this. Anyway, so I was thinking, just put the box in the middle. Hi guys, sorry about that. I had to readjust the angle. And I'm gonna try to adjust the color for you so it's a bit better. So you can see, so there's the table. You see the top of the table. So I put the box in the middle. And what I think I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put my ginger jar in the middle, and then place the lid here, just so you can see the lid. Ideally, I would like the lid to sit up like that, but it's not going to. Anyways, and then I placed my birds on either side, and I think that's cute, but I don't know if I love it. I don't know. You guys have to tell me what you think down below. But I got an idea for another look, and I want to do that with you guys right now. Let me pause this. I took the birds away, and I'm thinking, I'm thinking of adding these. What do you guys think? Like, put the ginger jar to the one side and have its lid sitting like that, and then my little box and my 2 candle holders. I don't know if I like that. Let me show you these candle holders up close. These are, oh my God, these are so old. Good Lord. And this is one of those battery operated candles that you can use on a timer. I don't know. What do you guys think of that look? You like that look better? I don't know now. I'm a little conflicted. Anyways, I think it looks cute too. Okay, I think this is a cute look also. What do you guys think? It's kind of cute, right? I don't know. I kind of like my birds. I don't know. I think I might put it back. But this is an idea. So at least it gave you an idea. So if you have anything like this, then you can do that. Okay, I'm going to pan around. There comes everybody. They're coming in. I'm going to pan around and show you the hallway. And down that hallway also. So like the entrance and then all the hallways. Because I did do some cute things. I think they look real cute. So I'm going to show you that. And then I'm going to show you the things I want to add as upgrades, let's say, to the house over the weekend. Okay, guys. I just want to show you this. So here's my front door. And then when you come in on your left, you see this welcome sign. And I don't know if you remember, I showed you this. And then I just hung this. Angela's got her little backpack, and I got my little purse there. And we got Mia's leash, just, for convenience. So, and then you turn this way, and you go up the staircase. So I'm considering this part of my front hallway. I'm gonna climb up. So I added these 3 vases on this ledge on top of my staircase. I don't know if I love them. Like, I don't know. Like, it's just for now. I just wanted something. And then I have this giant painting. This painting is massive. I wouldn't even know how big it is, but it's really big. And it's a dress. It's like an abstract piece. I like it. I like this painting. That's what you see when you look up, when you're standing at the front door. And it's really nice, actually. The staircase is beautiful. And then over here on this little round part of the staircase, I just added these twigs and this long, tall cylinder. Don't mind those things on the floor. I'll show them to you in a minute. And then you walk this way, and I hung this bless sign. And then there's these little stairs. You go down. And, of course, now my lighting's all cuckoo crazy. I just hung that little mirror there, like a farmhouse kind of mirror. And then that's the wreath that goes into, that door there goes into the powder room. And then this door on this side goes into the basement. Guys, and there's my front hallway table. I think I'm going to leave the birds for right now and the apothecary jar. And there, if you have never seen my table, this is my table. And it's black and gold, and it's real traditional. And I've had it for years and years. And if you're new to my channel, that mirror is all hand carved. And it's hand carved by my daddy. All right, so if we walk this way, and there's my family room. You guys seen that? And the kitchen, but I just want to show you the hallways for right now. I added this Grace wall art, and there's the kitchen. You can see glimpses of the kitchen, but we're not going to do that until next week. And then this is this real long hallway I got here. Like on the right of me is the butler's pantry. You guys seen that? So I hung these 2 pieces of art that I had. I don't know why they always look pink on camera. They're really white. I got this from Z Gallery a while ago. And then in my old house, I had one of these. I didn't have both. I had one. But I took the other one out of storage. And then I just added these white flowers here. And then that door down there is to the mud, the mudroom. Okay, guys, can you see me? I know this is crazy. Okay, I'm gonna add this light fixture here. Can you see it there? It's really pretty. I've had this for so many years. And I'm gonna add it in the front hallway as soon as you come in. Over there, I'll show you. No, I already showed it to you, right? So I'm gonna add this to the front hallway. And it's really nice. God, you know how old this is? Oh my goodness. But I think it's worth it. I think it's worth it to keep these kind of things. Let me show you the other one. Okay, and here's the other one. It's this here. You guys remember these? We've all, I don't know, they're kind of old. These are not brand new. But I love this one, and it's got 3 lights. And I'm gonna hang this above the kitchen. Okay, now speaking of the kitchen, we'll get to decorating the kitchen. Let me put this down. We'll get to decorating the kitchen on Monday. Okay, so this is it for my video. I think I take enough of your time today. Have an amazing weekend. Do something you love. The sun's coming out. I'm telling you, that was a tornado. I'm telling you. I know my hair looks all crazy. I actually did cut a few inches off of it, so if it looks different, I mean, just a bit. Have an amazing weekend. I love you all from the bottom of my heart. Thank you so much for all your love and your support and your comments. I love you, girls. I love you so much. Okay, have an awesome weekend, and I'll see you very soon. See you on Monday. Bye, YouTube. Bye, everybody. Mwah. Love you.